Here are some phrasal verbs related to clothes, along with their meanings and examples. Try on. Try on. To put on clothing to see how it fits or looks. Example, she tried on several dresses before choosing the perfect one for the party. Put on. Put on. To wear clothes or accessories. Example, it's cold outside, so make sure to put on your jacket. Take off. Take off. To remove clothing. Example, after a long day, I can't wait to take off my shoes and relax. Dress up. Dress up. To wear formal or stylish clothes for a special occasion. Example, let's dress up for the gala event tomorrow evening. Dress down. Dress down. To wear casual or informal clothes. Example, the office has a relaxed dress code, so you can dress down. Button up. Button up. To fasten all the buttons on a garment. Example, it's chilly outside, remember to button up your coat. Zip up. To close a garment using a zipper. Example, can you help me zip up the back of my dress? Hang up. Hang up. To place clothes on a hanger to store or dry. Example, after doing laundry, I always hang up my clothes to air dry. Fold up. Fold up. To neatly fold clothes before storing them. Example, after unpacking, I'll fold up my clothes and put them in the closet. Layout. Layout. To arrange clothes in a neat manner, often in preparation for wearing them. Example, I'll lay out my outfit for tomorrow morning to save time. Wear out. Wear out. To use clothes so much that they become worn and damaged. Example, these sneakers are worn out. I need to buy a new pair. Tuck in. Tuck in. To insert the lower part of a garment into another piece of clothing. Example, make sure to tuck in your shirt before the meeting. Slip on. Slip on. To easily and quickly put on a piece of clothing. Example, I can slip on these comfortable shoes and be ready to go. Slip off. Slip off. To easily remove a piece of clothing. Example, I slipped off my sandals as soon as I got home. Change into. Change into. To put on different clothes. Example, after work, I'll change into my workout clothes and hit the gym. Accessorize with. Accessorize with. To add accessories to an outfit. Example, she likes to accessorize with colorful scarves and statement jewelry. Bundle up. Bundle up. To wear warm and layered clothing to stay warm. Example, bundle up with a scarf, hat, and gloves before going outside in the winter. Mix and match. Mix and match. To combine different pieces of clothing to create an outfit. Example, she loves to mix and match various tops and bottoms to create unique looks. Subscribe us for more videos. English class time.